Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to give you a view of this new M1200 Pro by TRINX. This comes with a matte black finish and white and silver text. So before I give you the components, as you can already see, there's a lot of TRINX branding all over the bike, like from the head tube, handlebar, the stem, the grip, and frame, seat tube, and saddle. Yeah. So this particular bike is all in stock, so I haven't upgraded anything from this yet. So now going to the components. So first up, we start with the wheel. So the wheel size is 29 and the tire size is 29 by 2.1 by CST. Alright. The fork is air suspension with lockout, but it doesn't have the remote. Alright. Now the brake levers and calipers are from X-Part for both back and front. And the group set for this particular model is the Shimano Deore, which is on the rear it is M5100, and on the front is M5120. The width of this handlebar is about 720 millimeters. And this fork suspension has a travel of 100 millimeters. You can notice also the disc brakes are different in size. So on the front it is 180 millimeters, and on the back is 160. Okay. Now going down to the crank. So the crank here installed is Pro wheel claw. It is a Halotech technology already, and it has a 2x setup, 2 plates. So the larger one is 36 and the smaller one is 26. And at the back you can see that there's about 11 plates here from this cassette. Okay. The frame size for this particular model is small, or about 15 inches, which is only good for heights between 170 and 175. Okay.